Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna make a video especially to Jay Chazen, who is one of my subscribers who has a question regarding how to play two songs one after another in the background. So I've previously made a video on how to play a background music, but he wants to play another music after that one. So the easiest way to do this is by using a software called iMovie that Apple has provided for us to make movies, but I've decided to use it in another way to combine two audio files that I have on my desktop. So let's get started. So first let's open iMovie in your Mac. Everybody who has a Mac and are using Xcode should have an app called iMovie in their computer, and if you don't have it in your dock or desktop, make sure to search it up in Spotlight on the top right corner. And once you find it, open it, and after it's open, on the top left corner there's a button that says New, which is basically Create. And once you press on that button, it should show two things. One of them should be trailer and another one should be movie. Now we want to create a movie. Once you press on movie, it should take to themes, and all these themes are used to make movies, but we don't really need them, so we just leave it blank, which is no theme. And then we press create, and name it whatever you want. And once you name it and creates a project for us in iMovie, you wanna first go to titles in the bottom left hand corner in the content library. Once you press on titles, there's a bunch of titles, but you can pick a random one and drag it in your workspace. And once you do that, you have a place to put your music. So from your desktop, drag in your music underneath the title that we dragged to our workspace. In order to make it easier, iMovie has given us a thing called zoom in or zoom out on clips. It is in the middle to the right. There it is. And if you put it less, then it zooms out, and if you drag it more to the right, it zooms in. So I would zoom out a little bit and then drag the title. And now once you drag in the title, put the second music right next to the first music that you put, the first song, and they both should be right next to each other, and then drag in the clip more. And once it's at the end and it's aligned, on the top right there's a button that says share. Press share, and when you press share, on the format it says video and audio, and when you press on that drop down, it should show another option that says audio only. You want to click on that, and once you do that, it should show another file format, and you can change it to mp3, wave, or any other formats. I'm gonna pick mp3, and then I'm gonna press next, and now I save it. I'm gonna save it to my desktop, and once I do that, I have a single file which combines the two files that I already have on my desktop. So just a quick summary, I took two audio files and converted it to one audio file using iMovie. And once you do this, watch my other video of background music, and you can put the single file into the Xcode and play background music.